We're gonna go ahead and remove the. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this mirror, the outside side view mirror. Let's say someone clipped it. We sell a bunch of them. I'm sure it's popular. Some want to do it at home. Once you've got the door panel removed, there's a little plastic right here. If you just slightly tug on it. Oops, what the hell was that? Let's see. Huh. Got a little tab right here. It will come out. And you could actually grab it from up here and yeah, it's held on by a little yellow thingy. There's a bottom clip here. Obviously I broke it, but it sits in here. So you could come through here and push on it and lift up, or push from here and pull upwards. There's 3 number 10s, 1, 2, and 3. If you have enough manpower to unscrew it with a screwdriver, oh, this looks like someone's been in here. It's loose, very loose. Use a Phillips. It's a number 8. Yeah, it's a number 8. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, and notice I didn't unplug it yet, because just in case I take these 3 screws off and that mirror decides to fall, the plug right here is going to hold it. So since I got that out of the way, right here, if you push this tab right here, if you push this tab and unplug the mirror. Just wiggle. Just take your time and it will come out. And this is how you remove the mirror.